The cosmetics and personal care industry demands innovation, precision, and consistent product quality. From formulation and ingredient management to production, packaging, inventory, and distribution, every process must be carefully managed to ensure customer satisfaction and regulatory compliance. PMTechERP is a comprehensive manufacturing ERP solution designed specifically to help cosmetics manufacturers streamline operations, improve efficiency, and maintain complete control across the entire production lifecycle. PMTechERP integrates procurement, formulation management, production planning, inventory control, quality assurance, warehouse operations, finance, sales, and supply chain management into one intelligent platform. With real-time visibility across every department, businesses can reduce manual processes, improve collaboration, and make faster, data-driven decisions. The platform supports batch manufacturing, recipe and formula management, ingredient traceability, and regulatory compliance, enabling manufacturers to consistently deliver high-quality cosmetic products. The solution includes advanced bill of materials and formulation management, production scheduling, work order processing, material requirement planning, and real-time shop floor monitoring. These capabilities help optimize production, minimize waste, improve resource utilization, and ensure consistent product quality across every batch. Quality management is built into every stage of the manufacturing process. PMTechERP provides complete batch and lot traceability, quality inspections, laboratory testing records, document management, audit trails, and non-conformance tracking. The system also supports compliance with industry standards such as GMP, FDA requirements, and ISO quality guidelines, helping manufacturers simplify audits and maintain regulatory readiness. Advanced inventory and warehouse management features help monitor stock levels, track raw materials and finished goods, manage expiry dates, and ensure uninterrupted production. Integrated procurement and supplier management strengthen supply chain efficiency while reducing delays and operational costs. Powerful dashboards, AI-driven analytics, and business intelligence reports provide complete visibility into production performance, inventory status, quality metrics, operational costs, and overall business efficiency. Whether you manufacture skincare products, hair care products,